Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video features a progressive jumping chasse into a Contra check, followed by 2 slow pendulums into an Oversway. This particular combination has a lot of impact and energy and is suitable for intermediate and also advanced and professional ballroom dancers. All the figures in this combination are danced in closed position, which, as we all know, is right side to right side connection of the bodies. I would say that one of the most important aspects of dancing this with a partner is to make sure that the sway is clearly defined.